Today, we will learn how to read, change, and write our schemas in Backfrap. Hi, I'm Alex, the architect for Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect. A schema is a structure that represents your classes, and it's very useful to be able to change those schemas and to read those schemas in execution time. So today I'll show you how to read a schema, how to change it, and how to save it. So here I have a very basic JavaScript code that is only instantiating my SDK, initializing my app with my app ID and JavaScript key, and pointing to the Backfrap servers. So it will run this run function, and in here I'm going to write all my code. So in order to create the schema, to change the schema for a Backfrap class, you have first to instantiate that class and then read its schema. We do that by typing let my schema equals new parse dot object and then pass in my class name. It could be a existing class or a not existing one if you're creating a brand new, but you have to pass it as a string. So my schema. Then you have to read the schema of that class. If it's a present class, it will populate accordingly to all the columns or properties that you have already created. If not, it will populate it as an empty object. We do that by typing mySchema.get. And then with that written, we can start changing that schema. We do that by typing parse.schema.all. And then finally start to change it the way we want it. So my schema dot add there are a few methods that you can use. So for instance, you could use add string or add number. You should see the properties that you're going to use. So in this case, I'm going to add string, and then you pass in the name of the column or the property that you want. So my string property. And you can keep adding as many as you want. So dot add number, my number property. Dot add pointer, my pointer property. And this works for all the data types that are currently supported in Backfrap. So once you're done adding all the properties and its names to your schema, all you have to do is to save it. So I'll wait because this is an asynchronous call, my schema dot save, and this will save your schema if it was changed or if you added any new properties to it. It will persist on the Backfrap servers. So if this video was helpful to you, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions or any implementation you want to see me doing, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.